I got this question from Isaac Griss on LinkedIn asking, hey, is there any way to have a sort of spotlight effect around some labels on your map in ArcGIS Pro? Yeah. Here's a cities layer, and here are its labels. And there's actually no way to apply blend mode to labeled text, but there is blend mode support for annotations. Let's convert them. Convert to annotation. This all looks great. I'm going to duplicate this. And for the bottom one, I'll open its symbology. Go into the properties. And here in appearance, we can change how this polygon in the shape of text looks. I'm going to expand this text fill symbol and choose Format Polygon Symbol. And here is a great effect I like to use. There's no blur effect, but there is an offset effect, which we can use to replicate a blur. I'll go back to the layers and I'll give this a semi-transparent white color. Now it's hard to see because, it's semi-transparent. We'll go back into the structure, duplicate this a few times, and then back in the layers. Each one of these will increase its offset distance, a greater distance for every version of itself. So you get this cool kind of fake blur effect. Now we can apply a layer blend mode to this. And I'll choose overlay, and the result is a sort of spotlight effect.